Hey, welcome back to Lucille's Mini Kitchen Recipe. We're gonna make another menu for today. Good for school baon. Okay, so we're gonna make a hot dog and cheese roll. So what are the main ingredients for this recipe? We have here hot dog already cooked. Hindi po fernay. Instead, we cook that using a water. And we have bread in here. We have cooking oil, cheese, breadcrumbs from Skyflakes, and 2 pieces of beaten eggs. Okay, so here are the steps in making this. So first, we need to cut the edges of the bread. Tantayin natin yung mga gilid. Then, we need to knead it. Why? We need to close the pores or else, ang mangyayari dyan, i-absorb niya yung oil. So, we need to knead it. So, lahat gagawin muna natin ganito. And after we finish it all, okay? Okay, so we're done kneading the bread. So, let's get a hot dog. Kakat natin siya kasi mahaba siya. Then, let's put some cheese. Up to you kung gusto nyo marami or konti lang na cheese. Then, let's roll it. Now, para hindi siya bumukas, let's close it with a toothpick. Okay. So, let's get another one. Another hot dog. Huwag niyong itapon yung pinagputulan kasi you can eat that, okay? Then, put some cheese. Then, roll it. Okay. Okay. So, we have already rolled some, okay? Okay, so eto na yung mga nabalot natin. And now, we need to heat up the oil and get ready for frying. So, bago mo siya i-fry, ididip muna natin siya sa oil and saka sa cracklings or the breadcrumbs. Okay, so let's do this way. So, drop muna siya dito sa egg. Then, lagay mo na siya dito sa breadcrumbs mo. Okay? So, ito lang yung process. Then, pag ready na, drop mo na siya dito sa mantika. This is good pambaon for school, okay? Para maiba naman. Okay. Then, antayin natin mag-brown. Pag brown na siya, it only means that it's already done. So, luto na siya. Okay? Pag medyo luto na yung kabila, using your tongue, ulit pa rin natin siya. Okay? Pero hindi pa siya masyadong brown. Okay, so eto na po yung ating finished product, yung ating hot dog and cheese roll. So sa exact measurement and recipe po, I'm gonna post it after this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat po!